Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Diane, Simply Diane, and I would like to welcome you back, or welcome you, whichever one applies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the dingy dongity bell. Ding ding, notification bell. Yeah, I used to sing that song when I was doing YouTube years ago, and I've had a few complaints that I don't do it no more. So you all new people get to hear it too. I kind of like it. It's my little thing, you know. So today we're going to be doing some more jewelry from my hoard. I've looked up a lot of it. Some of it I'll just price as I go. So I guess basically it's not really a surprise, although I'll be honest with you, I probably did this like 2 months ago, and my memory lasts about a day. So I won't remember half of it, which is why it has to be written down, you know, because my brain is messed up. So if you would like to order anything, everything is going to be for sale. Prices will be given. It's $6 shipping. I just need you to give the number. I'm going to give you a number. That is all you have to do. Email it to simplydianeadventures@gmail.com. And if you see something you like, please, please, please send me a message. And if you just want to send a message, that helps my channel so much. So put a comment down below. Tell me how your weather is. Tell me if you had to survive the storm. Tell me if you're warm and sunny and make me a little jealous. Let me know where you're from. All kinds of good things you could comment. And that helps my channel so much. So let's get started. Okay, let's grab something from the top. We have, and this feels really light, like really light. We have a flower with a little faux pearl in the middle. A light chain. Still cute though. Gold tone in very good condition. Where's my measurer? Can't say that word, you guys. Measuring thing. 9.5, so 19 inches about. So for the flower, we'll go with 55. Where's my pen? There it is. So for number 55, number. Oh, pen might be out. We got another one though, because you always got to be ready for everything, right? Oh no, this one's not good either. Oh, there we go. Number 55 for $1. $1. If y'all haven't done it yet, you got to check out Misty at Skeeter Jones. Man, that girl, she does all kinds of crafting and stuff. And if you're really into the crafting, you should really check it out because she does some amazing things. And she's so fluid, like just does her thing. And it's so beautiful. It's almost like music. I don't know. It's really beautiful. So do that. Okay, we have, oh my gosh, they're real. We have real pearls on toggle clasp. Those feel plastic. That is, this necklace makes 0 sense to me. Just saying. Like they put these beautiful pearls on a fun little necklace, but it just seems like out of place almost. Anyway, so for number 56, and the price is only because of the pearls, $3. They real. It was easy to tell too. They were scratching instantly. Okay, we got, I don't know, this looks like some kind of tribal thing. Pretty cool though. With a lot of seed beads. They're cold, but I'm not sure. They're pretty tiny. With a copper clasp, and this is pretty actually, really pretty. Let's measure. Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Measure it. 16 inches. The pendant is 2 inches. So for number 57, it's a beautiful color. Very nice for spring, Remembrance Day, whichever. 57. $4. It's a lot of niceness going on there. Okay. I'm grabbing from the top. A lot of the stuff is already listed. Like, I've looked it up, but this stuff I haven't. There it is. I was beginning to think there wasn't one. We got a clasp, like I can't remember the name of it. The gold tone on this is fabulous. It's fabulous. Like, fabulous. She is 16 inches. Number 58. $3. She's in good shape. She feels good too. We got a dolphin necklace. These are pretty. It's a screw clasp, but it doesn't look old. Like, it doesn't look vintage or anything, although these clasps tend to be. This one does not. Okay. Why isn't it wanting to go all the way? There we go. Okay, I'm going to bring old Miss Priss in here. She's a little cranky. She's... Oh, these nothing. Nothing. We're about 16. So for the dolphin necklace, which is very pretty, by the way, we're going to do number 59. I might actually have to just give you the numbers because I might run out at 100. So we're going to do her for $2. $2 for the dolphin necklace. Okay. Ooh, another green thing. This is a lot of beads. Copper tone too again. Okay, we got a seed bead necklace with a whole bunch of green, white, yellow. I don't know. It feels weirdly like glass. It's not. Weird. Okay, well, actually, we should measure. Measure! I said it, you guys! Woo! We have to celebrate every time you say something properly, because dang. I had jaw surgery, and it messed up my nerve in the front there. Oops, 22 inches. So I struggle to say certain words, and it drives my husband crazy because I used to be able to obviously speak normally, and I was with him when I had the jaw surgery, and yeah, messed me up. Like, I can't say Londi. Londi. You know, where you put things in the washer and dryer? Yeah, can't say that. We're going to do this one for $2. Yeah. Can you do the Londi? It drives him nuts. Like, gosh, I wish you could say that correctly. It sounds so dumb. I can't help it. Okay. We have a skull pin. See, like I said, I don't remember anything half the time. It says 10 something. 10 something. Pizzazz? Or Izaz. I don't know. Doesn't matter. And it'll have a back when it comes to you. So never fear. The back will appear. See, I rhymed and everything. I'm impressive today. 61 for $2. Yep. Cowboy hat skull dude. Yep. Okay. I don't know what these are. Drink thingies. I don't know what they are. They're Christmas though. They're Christmas leaves. Or just leaves. I would say Christmas though. You get 5 different colors. You get peach, white, black, red, and yellow. All 62 that go to, I'm not sure what they are. Like I said, I know you can put them all around people's glasses, like drinks, but if anybody can tell me anything else they can think of, that would be great. We'll do those for $2. I don't have a clue what you do with them. I'm not fancy enough. Oh, I got a whole bunch of little things that are just like, oh, lots of pins there. Those will all go over there. Okay, here's something that was in a bag. Okay. This is and I'm going to read what I wrote, see? This is a vintage 1970s Damascene pendant, hand engraved, $12. Oh, number 63. I didn't have to read the $12, I guess. Let's do the thingamajiggy. 18. That's beautiful. That's why I priced it so high, because the chain's in beautiful shape. And that's hand carved. And yes, I looked it up and there were others. And they were, if it's priced that, then they were in the 20s. What am I looking for? I'm looking for bags is what I'm looking for. $12. Number 63. Okay. Oops. Here we have Joe Fresh earrings, new on the card. Says they were $12, originally new. They're pierced. They're lovely. Number 64. And we will do number 64. Yeah. For $3. New on card. Regular $12 in the store. There you go. I'm feeling happy. As long as I'm not outside, I'm happy. As long as I got somebody else shoveling for me, even more happy. Okay, this long girl is Leah Sophia. Leah Sophia. It's got little discs. Those shell. Can you see the shell? And then painted other discs. Long. It's long. It's nice and colorful and pretty and happy and fun. 18 times 2 is something. 18 times 2. That's what it is. 18 times 2. And we're going to do number 65, Leah Sophia, for $10. Okie dokie. Okay. We have a toggle clasp. I hate toggle clasps. Not because I hate toggle clasps, but I can never, ever. There we go. I'm just not effective. We have a beautiful Tony Link Jenny Bird bracelet, gold tone, and now this is expensive. This is well over $100. This looks brand new. Where is she? How did I know that it was that? Don't know how I knew. I just knew because I'm that smart. Nope. There had to be a reason. There it is. Okie dokie. I knew there was a reason. Otherwise, I don't just make stuff up. Well, maybe I do sometimes. I can't lie. Tell my kids lies all the time. Right there. Jenny Bird. Jenny Bird is really expensive, guys. So I know this is going to seem like a crazy number. But anybody who knows Jenny Bird knows that I'm not exaggerating. It's well over $100. Secondhand, like to sell it. So for number 66, we're going $50. Yep, I'm aware that is nuts, but it is. Okay. So I'm going to put all the earrings over there. Okay, we have Pilgrim. There's the hang tag right there. I get pen all over myself. Left-handed sucks. New on the card. When it was new, it was $44. Wow. Why is Canada and US the same? It's made in Denmark. And we're going to say for number 67, for the Pilgrim necklace, $10. $10. Yep. Okay. Oh, roller coaster ride. Yay! Okay. We got a necklace. It's gorgeous. I didn't write anything on this one, but we're going to test those little purple stones and see. Let's bring her in here. Join the party, honey. Whoopsie. I slipped off. This whole necklace is amethyst. Let's check a few more. Yep, they're all amethyst. Okay, so you've got a silver toggle clasp. She's not a long girl. She's not. Where is that? Okay, so it's about 14 inches. So for number 68, that's a whole heck of a lot of amethyst in there. We're going to say $15 because that's a lot. Like, it's heavy. I could be way off on that, guys. I'm sorry if I am. Oh, this one doesn't want to open. We're ripping. There we go. Okay. This is a heart. Good for Valentine's Day. Okay, what does it say on the back? It says, I wrote this down because you guys, I can't see. It says 12K gold fill, 18 inches, and that's a garnet in the front. I will show you. There you go. And so for number 69, we will do number 69, gold fill for $8. We have a definitely needs to be steamed. We have a velvet, burgundy velvet with a heart. Very good for Valentine's Day and new. I didn't plan this. Twin set. And for the twin set Milano, number 70. Yep. I'll do number 70 for $20. These are expensive, believe it or not, even with the velvet. But the velvet is in great condition, so. Okay. This is a vintage Jin Long Zing enamel bracelet. Clamper in very good shape. Very, very good shape. Very nice. Number 71. And we will do, my doggies are barking, just ignore them. Somebody came home. We will do number 71 for $15. That's because it's Jin Long Zing. Jin Long Zing. There we go. Next thing we have is earrings. Okay, next thing we have is a set. And for this set, we have a, oh, what's that called? It's got a toggle clasp. Acrylic, I think. That's what it feels like. Burlap. It's a daisy, I think. And then we have the matching brooch that goes together. And this is Zara. Maxi daisy rope necklace and pin. So we'll do the necklace for $12, the pin for $6, or the pair for $15. Now, I just went off on that, didn't I? It's by Zara, by the way. I didn't even get that far. Number 72. Make this more or less confusing. Necklace 12. Pin 6. Pair 15. Oh, we got kids screaming downstairs. Kids. I only have adult kids, just so you know. But they be screaming downstairs. Yep, more earrings. A ring. Okay. We got a beautiful ring. There you go. Oh, I checked all of this. I've done this. It's a size 9, 925 silver topaz. It's a rainbow topaz. It's very, very beautiful. And for this silver size 9 ring, she's beautiful. We're going to do her number 73 for $30. Yep. 30. Oh, And we got something fun coming up now. We have Betsy Johnson, new on card. They were $52 in the store. And it's a linear drop earrings. And we'll do the Betsy Johnsons. Number 74. Number 74. Betsy Johnson earrings for $15. Brand new on the card. You give those as a Valentine's gift. Okay. Oh, I dropped it. Nope, I didn't. Thought I didn't know. Okay, we got a Christian Dior. My hoard was good, by the way. We got a vintage Christian Dior. And as you can see, it has some hair in it. The clasp has ever so slight fading, but very minor. There you go. Christian Dior bracelet. It's 7 inches, and we're going to do this, number 75, for $50. I know that seems like odd, but it's expensive. Okay. Like I told you, my hoard was good. We have a Kate Spade New York bangle. It's got the little diamond there. Stop and Smell the Roses. It's a size 7.5 approximately. So for number 76, we'll do the Kate Spade bangle for $7. Okay. Oh, another ring. Like I said, I got this hoard out of a locker. I paid like $100. I can't remember. Hardly anything. And already, without the jewelry and everything, I made thousands profit. This is a Michael Kors gold-plated pave monogram heritage band. Barrel cigar ring. Size 6. Number 77. And we will do number 77 for $17. Okay. This is an antique. Okay. We have this antique locket. You can see from the inside all the butterflies and stuff is very beautiful. I couldn't find a ton of information about it. I'm not sure what the blue is. I don't know if somebody painted it or what. It's got butterflies, and then it's got the horse on the outside. And for number 78, we'll do this for $6. It's antique. Don't get those that much. It's kind of cool. Okay. We have a beautiful bracelet. It's bourbon and bow ties. And let's see what these stones are, because I didn't do that, because I didn't have the presidium when I did this, I don't think. It's going above glass. And like I said, it reads low, so It's garnet tourmaline iolite. It's one of them. And for this, number 79, for the bourbon and bow ties, we'll do $5. Not sure why it reads low, but I think it has to do with the fact that it's minus 20 Fahrenheit. It's cold outside, so the house is cold. And this bedroom just tends to be cold, but it's the one not being used at the moment, so hence where my office is. We have a silver tone chain. Oh, look at that. We got some fading. So for number 80, craft dollar. It's a pretty necklace, but I guess you could remove the one. I don't think it would hurt, or move two, I guess, to even it all out. That would work. Okay. All the silver that I'll be showing you guys now and in the future pretty much all came out of this hoard as well. It's insane. Okay, we have a, let's see how this goes. We have a bronze. There we go. A Chico's necklace. Bronze in color. We have a bronze lobster claw clasp. Number 81. Chico's for $10. Okay. Okay. This is individually knotted mother of pearl necklace. Is there a clasp on this? Nope. I don't know if you guys can see the movement and whatever there. Very beautiful. They are vintage. Art Deco. And for these mother of pearl Art Deco beads, oh, they're heavy. I will do for number 82. Number 82. I'm going to do them for $10. Okay. She liked her Zara. A lot. We have a Zara necklace. Lobster claw. Not very big. It's a bit of a choker. Not quite choke you out, but nevertheless. 14 inches. And I gotta get rid of some of this. I'm making a mess. And for this Zara number 83, I'll do it for $15. $15 because it's in like new condition. Get all this stuff off the side. Yay. I got a bit of a tangle. There we go. Okay, we have more Joe Fresh earrings on the card. Knew they were $8. Number 84. We will do these. For $3. They feel nice too, by the way. Hey, wait. We have a pin, C-clasp, there you go. I don't know if you can see it. It's a Hallmark, vintage Hallmark gardener's brooch is what that is. And we shall do this, number 85, for $3. $3 for the Hallmark vintage brooch. Nice. Okay. Everything here I've tested, even if it says it on there, I still test it because I don't trust anything ever. Okay. We have a new with tags. Made in Thailand, Swarovski and Marcasite. Mark. I don't know if that's Marc Jacobs. I'm not sure. Sterling silver, size 8. Marcasite and Swarovski crystal, brand new, sterling silver, size 8 for $35. Number 86, $35. Yep. Okay. Oopsie. This, wrong way. This is vintage Ann Taylor. Go back a little bit. You get out of here. Everything's in the way. There's the maker's mark right there. Actually, it's all the way around. There it is again. And it's just a clip. She's beautiful. Let you look at her for a minute. It's yellow lucite necklace. And I'm going to do number 87 for $12. See, vintage Ann Taylor, $12. Like I told you guys, this hoard, I still have stuff left. Like I've got 4 more videos worth of the hoard. Still. It's nuts. And then I still have clothes to sell, shoes, all kinds of things. Okay. This is weird. I did not know. This is very dainty. This is made by little crystals. And I don't know if I can, because I did lots of research on this just to make sure that it was real. Right there, it's Swarovski. So little dainty necklace is Swarovski. Swarovski star necklace. And we're going to do this. Let's see how long it is. Actually, I'll just let you message me if you want it. So for number 88, Swarovski for $10. We'll do it for $10. It's dainty. Okay. Okay, this. Oi. I'm just making a mess trying to go fast, and it's just not working out. You know what I mean? Okay, we've got a maple leaf brooch made by Keys. It's a vintage, number 89, and it's beautiful. Let's make sure. There you go. Number 89. And we're going to do that for $10. Made by Keys. Okay. Like, I've got a container full of silver. Like, you wouldn't believe. I showed it in another video, but you guys are going to be getting special I'll be adding them onto shorter videos, not this one, but others. I have a Kate Spade bracelet. You push this down, and then she locks into place. Kate Spade, New York. Hopefully you guys can see that. She's beautiful. Definitely good for spring for now. So number 90. Let's give you a measurement on her. She's 6.5 to 6 3/4. So for the Kate Spade, we're going to do her for $12. Number 90, $12 for the Kate Spade bracelet. Okay. I wrote this on the bag. I might have, did I do this before? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Hopefully there's somebody around still that can tell me if I did this before. I don't remember though. Sometimes I get things confused and slightly mixed up. Okay, this is a bronze color. It's got a number 5 in pearls. I don't think these are real. Nope. Let me just check and see if they glass. Nope. So this is faux pearl camellia flower. It's got the 5. It's made by Camellia, I believe. And for this, it's $15. Number 91, $15. I'll show you. You've got the flower here. The flower's there. The number 5 there. I wrote it on the bag. I didn't put it back in the same bag. So now I'm going to confuse my own self. Okay. Like I said, she liked her Zara. We got another Zara piece. There you go, Zara. Let's check some of these stones and see if they're real. I do not know. I did not check that because I didn't have a Presidium at the time. Come on. Nope. That one is glass. Glass. That one is jadeite spinel. I'm really surprised these are not something more than glass. These are wood, I can tell that. So some are real, some are not. Oopsie. So for the Zara necklace, I will say $10. $10. Okay. Here's another new with tags item. Okay. We have a, there we go, paperclip chain. One of the dogs is at the door, whacking on it. They're like little tails whacking on the door. There you go. It's a paperclip chain. Like I said, it's beautiful. And it is Neo-Relique Objects of Relevance, sterling silver, made in Turkey. Okay, and for the Neo-Relique, number 92. Might have forgot a number last time. Oh well, doesn't matter. You guys will figure it out. Number 92, $30. Sterling confirmed. Just saying. Okey dokey. There we go. We have a necklace, and it does say something pewter. It's 24 inches. And for this, number 93, for this beautiful pewter, sort of like, I don't know, I don't know what the word is that I'm trying to think of, but whatever. We'll go $8. I don't know what the word is, but it's something. I just couldn't think of it. Okay, we got some more new with card. Wait. I didn't pull all the silver out, by the way. I didn't. It'll all be up for sale. I put some in the bags, and then some I will. So this is a size 9. You've got opal, sun and moon, which is really cool. Little stones, which I'll check. I don't know if we'll be able to get in there though, because they little. They're glass. Okay, so this is Isabella M. Sterling Silver, size 9, and that's all it says. And for this, number 94, we will do number 94 for $40 because it's new on card and it's sterling silver. Like I said, I didn't pull out all the silver. I just pulled out some because there was so much, you guys. Like, if anybody's still around, see this? This is all the silver I pulled out. Some that's come from videos, and then I got gold too. It's just nuts. It's not nuts, it's awesome. So anyway, this is, I don't know if it looks familiar, but it's a replica of Princess Diana's engagement ring that Princess Kate wears. And it's 925 silver, but I don't remember scratching this. I really don't. Let's check, because I don't want to say it's silver and then it'd be like some kind of faux-ness. Faux-ness. There's blue coming through. I just don't want to scratch the... I don't want to do that. Let me see. I need to be sure. Because this is not new on card. Yeah, there's blue. There's blue. Phew! I didn't want to, lie or anything. Let's check the... Phew, that makes me feel much better. Glass. Yep. So it's all rhinestone, CZs. It is beautiful, though. What size is it? Let's find out, shall we? It's a size 7. It's a beautiful ring. Very, very beautiful. It's sterling silver. Look at how beautiful the back is. So for number 95, for the replica of Princess Diana's engagement ring, Princess Kate's engagement ring, we will go $40. I didn't want a deep scratch because I don't want to take off the vermeil on top. It's definitely got some. We got another new item. Okay. This is another sterling silver ring. Neo-relique. Objects of relevance. Sterling silver. made in Turkey. It's a little ring. And I didn't write anything, so I'm going to actually take the tag off. You guys see me doing it. It's still new. I just want to get a size for you. It's a size 7. Let's check these little stones in there. Oh, wait. No, we don't want to be doing that. Oopsie. Yeah, it's glass. It moves. Not a ton, but it does move. So for this little ring, I will do for number 96, new on card, I will do it for $20. Great deal, brand new. Sterling silver. Get your girlfriend that for Valentine's Day. She'll think you spent a lot. Oh, I'm trying to upsell, eh? What is this? Another Zara? Zara! This is red coral. Zara. Gold tone, lobster claw. Lobster claw is getting a little fadey, but it is coral. So for number 97, we're going to do that for $10. Okay, what's this? Le Chateau. Okay, we're going to tell a story. There was a store in Canada called Le Chateau. And it sold a little more fashion forward. I would say it was really popular, but like everything else, oh, it's magnet. I'm twisting for no reason. Like everything else, it kind of had to shut down, which was depressing. It was in every mall, that kind of thing, and it was Canadian, and I loved it. It was my favorite store. It was mid-range pricing, like it wasn't cheap, but it wasn't super expensive. They had the nicest shoes, best dresses. So for number 98 from Le Chateau, I already have lots of stuff from there, so I don't need anything else. I don't need to keep this. Why isn't my pen working? 94. Okay, that pen might be done. I'm going to do it for $5. That might be a sentimental price. I don't know. Don't think so, though. Because it was considered high-end, so we'll go with it. Okay, guys. I got a tangle. Okay. So this is that mother of pearl tooth horn thing. I don't know what it is. With a silver tone chain. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So for number 99, I will do number 99 for $4. Okay. Okay. We have something a little different. This is a Pandora. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's right there. This is a Pandora ring. 14 karat gold plated. It's the wishbone ring. Size 6. So for the wishbone ring, Pandora, we're going to do her for $15 because she is gold plated and she's Pandora. This is the one that's confusing. I said it earlier that it was that one that was confusing. It's this one. Okay, but it's got all the hallmarks. Everything seems right on it, so I don't really know. Uh-oh. She's tangled. And we'll save it for a different day and not feel like untangling it. I have a black gunmetal chain. It's just the chain. It's all attached, so I guess you could put a pendant on it if you wanted or wear it as is. Super long, number 100, and we'll do number 100 for $2. Don't know why I keep going for the pen that's dead. Okie dokie. Let's clean this up. And I have a few more minutes, so I'll keep going. I'll just give you the numbers out loud. She must have liked Swarovski as well. I have another Swarovski necklace. There. And yes, I checked. We got a knot in the extender part. Dang it. Oy. There we go. And there's that. Lobster clasp. There we go. Swarovski crystals, as you would know. This is the double circle necklace. And there's the swan right there. So we're going to do this Swarovski necklace. It's 101, 101, number 101, Swarovski for $25. They are a lot more than that online. Like 60 or something. We have another new with tags. We're doing a lot of silver today, geez. This is Shivam, made in India, sterling silver, genuine gemstone, turquoise. And nothing on the back. It is sterling. I didn't price this. That's so weird. I priced everything. Now didn't I? So we're just going to go with the flow. This is number 102. Number 102. And I'll take this off to do the size. Seven. It's a size 7. New on card. Turquoise. 925. And I'll do that for $30. $30. So that'll be the end of this one. I have more, but I'll just put it on a different video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the dingy dongity bell. And if you want to order things, don't forget, simplydianeadventures@gmail.com. Bye, guys.